Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to password protect your Word document. You want to make it only accessible to yourself, or you want to share the document with another person and you want to give only you and that person to have the password to open that Word document. For example, I have this document on my desktop. It's a Word document. I've named it top secret file. So I open it and then we want to put the password. You go to file, top left here, you click on file to bring these options. You see here this protect document, protect your document. Click on this drop down and you will see several options on how to protect the document. You can protect with a password, you can restrict editing, you can restrict access, you can add a digital signature and all that. But I want us to put a password to protect it with a password. So you select the second option here, encrypt with a password. It will ask you to set a password. So let me put a password 123. That's my password, my secret password. I click on OK, then I re-enter the password. That's a confirmation. I put the same password that I just created, 123. Then I click OK. Then I go back. Then I click on the save button here, top right, or Control S on your keyboard. Then I close it. I want to confirm if actually I've password protected my document. So you open the file again, and here we are. It's asking you for the secret password that we just created. So let's enter the password. Now let's try and enter a wrong password. Let's say this is a person who doesn't have the password. Let's say 369. Fuse. So you close and open it again since we have the password. So it's 123, and here we are. So that's how you password protect your document. Now, how do you remove the password? You open the document again, put your password, then you go to file again, you click on protect document, encrypt with a password, the same procedure we used. Then you want to remove the password. You delete the current password. You leave it blank. That means you're now removing the password from the file. Then you click OK. Then you go back. And then you save the changes. Control S. You click on the save icon here, top left. Then you close the document. Now, if you notice, the moment you open this folder, there is no password. To go straight and open your file. And that's how you password protect your secret document. The same applies to Microsoft Excel, the same applies to PowerPoint and all Microsoft Office suite applications. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video, put any comments there, and also subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.